Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that most of us deal with at some point, puffy eyes. Whether it's from a late night, salty food, or stress, under-eye puffiness can make you look tired and older than you actually are. But the good news is, there are natural ways to fix it, and they're backed by science. Let's start with the basics. Puffy eyes are typically caused by fluid retention in the soft tissue around the eyes. This area is known as the periorbital region, and it's especially thin and delicate, meaning it shows swelling easily. There are a few key reasons this happens. One major factor is lack of sleep. When you don't sleep well, your body produces more cortisol, a stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels can disrupt your body's salt balance, leading to water retention and puffiness under the eyes. Another common cause? Too much sodium in your diet. High salt levels cause your body to hold onto water. This doesn't just affect your waistline, it shows up in your face, especially under your eyes. Now let's talk solutions, natural ones. First up, cold compresses. Applying something cold to the eyes causes vasoconstriction. That means it narrows the blood vessels, which reduces swelling and inflammation. You can use cold spoons, a chilled eye mask, or even refrigerated green tea bags. Green tea contains tannins and caffeine, which are both anti-inflammatory and help shrink blood vessels. Next, we have the classic cucumber slices. Cucumbers are high in antioxidants, especially vitamin C and caffeic acid. These help soothe irritated skin and reduce swelling. Plus, cucumbers are over 90% water, so they're naturally hydrating and cooling. Aloe vera gel is another great option. It's rich in vitamin E and contains enzymes that soothe and tighten the skin. Apply a thin layer under your eyes before bed. Just make sure it's pure, organic aloe without added chemicals. Don't forget about hydration. Dehydration actually causes your body to retain water. When you're not drinking enough fluids, puffiness can get worse. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day to help flush out excess sodium and toxins. Also, watch out for allergies. They're a hidden culprit. Allergic reactions release histamines, which cause inflammation and swelling. If you suspect allergies are the cause, consider using a natural antihistamine or consult your doctor. Finally, a quick reminder, don't rub your eyes. Rubbing causes irritation and breaks tiny capillaries, which leads to more inflammation. So there you have it, natural, science-backed ways to reduce under-eye puffiness. It's all about managing inflammation, improving circulation, and staying hydrated. If you found this helpful, drop a like and share your favorite remedy in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.